wouldn't go away that easy. He's just recharging elsewhere. Sure. You're outnumbered. Actually, we're even. Well, still, you're going down. Oh, you think you could steal my identity first thing and kidnap me? Oh, you're gonna pay for that. Oh, really? I doubt that. Oh, you're going down tonight. Oh, really? Yeah, why else? Because it looks like you're gonna be the one. Attack! I took care of mine. Lightning, it's your turn. So weak. Oh, are you done yet? You're next, SK! You think you can take my identity away from me? I never stole anyone's identity. I was here first. No, you were not. Yes, I was. And you know who made me? The guy upstairs. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, coming in first punch, eh? You wanna know something? What? I put the fun and fury, laughter and slaughter. Oh yeah? Well, I destroyed your village while you were asleep last night. Really? Those were full of captured cars. I could care less. Quickly, let's tie them against this wall, and then we can tell them their final words. Snip, snip, snip. Let us go! Yeah, let us go! We did nothing wrong! Yeah! You guys literally tried to take over the entire track, so yes, you did actually. Any final words, imposters? We might as well drop the act, guys. Yeah, you got a point. Wait, what act? Did you know about this, McQueen? No. Did you guys? No. Did you? No. Huh. Let's give them their word. What do you guys mean? We were just acting so we could get some recognition. Sure, the fumes did work, but for us to come to life, or me and Bobby over here, but we were never evil. We knew our leader was out there and he was watching over us. And that if we had anything to do with not destroying the track, we would die. But now that the leader is gone, he's nowhere to be found, and you guys have technically defeated us. We might as well drop our act. It was fun. You can kill us now. He's right. You can now. Lightning's right. We tried to tell you with signs, but you guys never listened. Huddle up, guys. What do you guys think? What do we do? I'd say we keep them alive. They sound very serious. Yeah, sounds like it for me too. Well, I believe they should all fall to the ground forever. Well, that is two. Well, that's 3 against 1. So you're not gonna get anything you want from this. Gosh dang it! Whatever. Well, we'll set you guys free. But you guys need some names so people won't get confused. Thank you. What about Might Ming? Might Ming? That does not sound great. What about Frightening McMean? Frightening McMean, that's my monster truck name, but alright. As long as it won't be a menace. Oh, trust me, I won't. Good. What are you guys? Hobby Swift? Oh, that sounds nice. Hobby Swift, that's cool. Alright. I guess I'll go with I guess I'll go with Jack Frightening. Alright, I guess. And I guess I'll go with Lewis Hamel Scare. Okay. Well, I guess that settles with that. Yeah. Well, I guess we should call it off. Yep. I'll go and tie him, I guess. Woo! We're free. Come on, guys. Let's head back to the bin. Place isn't quite ready for us yet. Yeah, we did just escape. Alright, let's go, guys. Hey, guys, race you inside the bin. Haha! Oh, you're not gonna win today, buddy. Last pair of last Redline and last normal person to last normal racer to inside the bin is a rotten egg. Woo! Bobby! Yeah! Bobby, Swift, and SK are safe now. Come on, man, we can't lose. Woo! Ah! Man, we're the rotten eggs, and Maroon is the rotten eggs.